Hi, this is Instructor Frank at Amalgam Martial Academy. Today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Uzi XM25 Combat Light. Flashlights are one of our top recommendations to people to carry as a self-defense item. A good quality light helps dispel darkness to expose and manage threat, and in a pinch, a solidly built light can be used to amplify the force of your strikes. Not to mention, flashlights are just plain useful for everyday tasks. The XM25 measures in at just about 6 inches long, 5.9 according to the factory specs, and 0.85 inches wide. We see it here next to a $20 bill for some perspective. It comes with both a stainless steel pocket clip and a nylon holster, a wrist strap, replacement switch cover, and extra O-rings are included. Even though it doesn't come with batteries, the XM25 is built to run off of commonly available AA cells. I'm using some new Costco Kirkland batteries for the video. The light is turned on and off by a rear click switch. There's no momentary on feature. A light half press will cycle you between brightness modes. The body is listed as aerospace aluminum and features slip-resistant checkering and an anti-rolling design. The light has 3 levels of output from its Cree XM-L2 T6 LED, a 500 lumen high listed at 1.3 hours, a 90 lumen medium listed at 10 hours, and a 5 lumen low output mode listed at 150 hours. Strobe mode can be activated by twisting the bezel slightly when the light is turned on. The bezel features a coated, tempered glass window and is slightly crenulated for striking, but is not overly aggressive in design. Overall, it's a nice light for everyday carry and personal safety. 500 lumens is a good number for the average person. Of course, if you want more, lumens, capabilities, etc., you'll have to spend more. MSRP is $79.95, but you should be able to find this light online for somewhere under $60.